Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this experience is restricted by your parental controls. Allowed experiences error you are getting when trying to play a Roblox experience. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The root of this error often lies in misconfiguration, privacy and parental control setting. To fix this, you will want to review and potentially adjust both settings guys. First, close the Roblox Player app or launcher. If it is opened up, now open a browser. Now search for roblox.com. Press enter. Now log into your Roblox account. Now click on this setting gear icon and select settings guys. On left side select privacy. On right side account restrictions are disabled. You just want to disable this one guys. If it is turned on, you just want to disable it. This step helps remove unnecessary restrictions. Might be required to enter your Roblox account pin guys to make changes these settings. After disabling account restrictions, make sure you just need to scroll down the who can text with me. You just want to set this to everyone. Make sure about it. By adjusting your privacy and parental control setting, you should be able to fix this Roblox error you are getting guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.